Yeah, I mean, but the trading world, bro, like, it's really humbled me, bro. And to be honest, I really want to. I know we're working on some stuff right now, so I want to take it more serious.
Yeah.
But the construction game has me a little consumed right now. But I mean, I got my method now, so I know it works.
Definitely. But yeah,
Yeah.
Did I tell you I'm long SoFi again?
Yeah, you told me.
Yeah.
I hear about it every day.
Round 2.
I put some more SoFi, just in case you didn't know. That's what you tell me every day.
Yeah, I mean the first time around wasn't enough, right? Getting 6 figures of drawdown.
Getting your cheeks rearranged was not enough for Mike. He liked it so much he went back for
Hey, maybe I'm kind of a masochist, you know?
He went, oh jeez. He went back for another round. I don't know.
But yeah, I mean, it ended up working out towards the end. It was a multi-year hold, but I did make like 250% on that SoFi the first time around.
I think, man, I don't know. I'm excited for this trading stuff, man. I really want to just hone in on my craft.
Yeah.
So after your beatdown from SoFi, what did you end up turning around and making from
About 250%.
it? So you made 250% after being on a drawdown of how much?
Let's say 6 figures of drawdown.
Yeah, that's a lot.
I'm not gonna say the actual number how much I made, but I made 250% on the position.
Yeah, after you got spread for about 3 years.
Unrealized, loss. Unrealized. I didn't realize the loss. If I sold at the bottom, I would have been a bitch. I did not.
Yeah.
I am not bitch.
You were getting fucking bitch slapped at the bottom, huh?
Pretty much.
Almost let go. Almost.
Yeah, I was losing my hair, man. I
I can see that.
was cortisol maxing.
I think your hair grew back now.
Actually, it did, yeah.
The gray hairs fell out, bro.
You know what they say? What doesn't kill you makes you stronger, you know?
Oh, yeah, for sure. No, that's crazy, bro.
But, yeah, besides that, like, that's the name of the game. You know, trading's never easy. You know, sometimes you deal with drawdown, sometimes you deal with...
I think the hardest thing for me was questioning myself, bro.
Oh, yeah.
Like, holy shit, dude.
I think with trading, you do learn a lot about yourself. You know, you do learn.
It is stressful, though. I will say that it is stressful. Like, it's not easy. It's not easy. Even for, I'm no expert, but I'm just based on what I've learned. It's like, it's stressful, man. Sometimes it's like, that's why I figured out the time frame for me is 3 months, because anything more than that, and I'm really just like biting my nails, and I don't feel good inside. I don't like that.
So you're telling me you wouldn't hold for like multi-year?
I would hold for multi-year. Just depends on what.
True.
Like if I'm using my swing trade gains to put into long term, then yes, I would hold.
Yeah.
I think for the average person, just buy and hold, bro. Just fucking buy and hold. Don't even look at it. Just delete the app from your phone and just have a recurring monthly stipend.
Wait, so you don't believe in ICT and
Oh yeah, for sure.
you don't think the average
I
Joe...
call that astrology, to be honest. Yes, let's look at star patterns and decide that that's the person you're gonna be, huh? That makes no fucking sense whatsoever.
Wait, so you don't think like someone can make $100 into $1 million trading, day trading?
You mean you can, but I would highly advise not that way. I mean, it takes a lot of patience, to be honest. And I've had that happen to me before too, where I get hella, like I ran out my account good, and then I just get too excited, and then I oversize, and I get right back down. I'm like, fuck.
I remember years ago I did like a tiny small account challenge with like $1,500 on futures. Turned that shit into, and it was just aggressive, just mean reversion, just add, and I remember turning that shit into like $26,000 within like a month and a half. Trading NASDAQ futures, by the way, like several minis at one point of NASDAQ. Then just one day, like it just a heavy sell day. Just algorithms have been drilling the fucking market all fucking day. I believe it was news driven. I forget what it was, but I wiped out 50% in that single day with.
Well, one trade is all it took. You fucked it up.
I think
You know
I
what
was-
clapped me hard was the tariff day. Do you remember that? Dude, I had made like 11 bands on Microsoft, and I'm like, and then it was coming down, and I'm like, oh, this is gonna be a great double up opportunity right now. And then the next day, Trump is like, tariffs. I'm like, no, bro. That shit went all the way back down. I'm like, wow. Just on that trade, I lost like $8,000. Dude,
Yeah.
the tariffs, they went off a cliff, bro. Oh my god.
Leave it to Trump, you know?
That was funny. Like, I couldn't believe it. I'm like, wow. That shit like that just had to happen right then. I couldn't believe it. Like,
Yeah.
that was so funny, man. That's what I'm talking about, getting overzealous. I was so overzealous. But that I could not have foreseen. Like, that was stupid.
It's a very crazy environment with Trump. I would say
It's hard to trade with Trump right now, bro.
I
Honestly.
stopped doing overnight swings on futures just because.
That is a fucking death sentence, bro.
I remember one Friday,
With no stop? Oh my
with
god.
what stops for trains and buses. Anyways, I remember like I was long. Yes, like in the overnight session. This was like maybe 3 a.m. You know, I'm a night owl, so I'm just like working on my AI, and then I'm trading futures, and then all of a sudden there's like some bullshit. Like I think Trump said, "Oh yeah, we're gonna bomb Iran again," or "fuck Iran," or some bullshit.
Yeah,
you know?
dude.
And yeah, I don't know. Basically, Trump tweeted, and all of a sudden my position was very red. I was up like 30 points at one point, and then just all of a sudden I'm in 50 point drawdown. I'm like, what the fuck is going on? I had to cut the position because it was like getting really crazy. So I got really unlucky because I think that wiped away 2 weeks of my gains just because I didn't have a trailing stop at the time.
Yeah, that's a death sentence. I don't know. The Trump market, you got at least, as you said, you gotta be nimble with
Oh,
this market.
for sure.
Yeah, bro. This market's crazy, bro.
Do you remember the Biden era?
I wasn't heavily into trading at that time, but
I remember the Biden era. It was a very like
chill.
boring,
Yeah, I was like,
just straight grind up, just like this.
yeah.
You know?
Now it's just whiplash.
Yes.
Like, fuck. Like, the stocks will move, even Mag 7 stocks, bro, they're moving fucking 5%, 4% in a day, and then the next day falling that same amount. Like, what the fuck? Like, Microsoft, we were just in the trade, bro. We ran up, and then now we're back down almost the entry. We're still in the trade, but like,
Yeah.
oh my goodness. We ran all the way up to 409, and now we're back down to 380 in a span of a week.
Yeah.
Like, what the fuck? Make that make sense.
Our challenge account's kind of down a little bit.
Yeah, our challenge account is down a little bit, but again, that's because it's fucking unforeseen. Oil spiking every freaking week. Like, dude, god damn it. I have a feeling they're doing this on purpose, bro.
Oh, for sure.
They're just waiting at the bottom, and then they're buying oil futures, and then they have their homie Trump call them and say, hey, you know, we're gonna fucking attack Iran tomorrow. Be ready. Bye.
No, he wouldn't do that.
He
ever.
would not do that.
He would never do that.
He's a good citizen.
No, of course not. No insider trading.
No way. I know, it's just getting ridiculous at this point. Like, they're not even doing anything productive in Iran. Nothing. They haven't done anything. All this talk about the Hormuz takeover and the fucking, what's that little island there?
Card.
Yeah, nothing. They haven't done shit. The problem is when they go and bomb these areas, okay, they kill the figurehead, right? And then they have another cockroach take his place a week later. So what are we doing? You're not doing anything. And actually, I think a ground invasion would be worse because the U.S. doesn't know the terrain.
Yeah.
That would be awful. Like, it would be a waste of time and resources.
All right, General Itai, what would you do if you were a General
Nuke.
Supreme?
That's the only way. One and done, baby. One and done. You don't gotta worry about anything else. No, okay, real talk, what I would do is, honestly, they already did the job in Venezuela. Why not just extract, if your goal is oil, why not just go for that? Venezuela has no military, like, they're not strong. They're not superior to the U.S. in any way. You already have they're kind of in turmoil right now. They don't even know what's going on. I have friends in Venezuela, and they like, their economy's shite. They don't know what the fuck's going on. Take that shit out. Options now. To be honest, a lot of failure, a lot of fuck ups in the beginning too. Not choosing. I don't know. It just kind of came to me really after I became friends with you. I just got more into the trading world and really didn't know much about trading beforehand. And then now that I've known you for a while, I mean, it's part of my life now. So yeah, that's how we got there.
Good. I take full credit.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, that's actually, it is your fault.
I mean, I've been trading with you for like years now. I mean, we first like met in a Discord server, which is kind of funny.
Yeah, so I mean, yeah, in terms of trading, I mean, I've found my way to trade options. I mean, it's definitely taken like trial and error to figure out what my time frame is and everything till now, but yeah, I think I figured it out. So yeah.
Yep. But yeah, let's talk about how we met, right? Because like we met initially many years ago, like 5 years ago in a Discord server.
Got it. Yeah, we met in a Discord server. I never knew who you were.
We never met in person.
Never met in person
until we coincidentally ran into each other at
number 1 Brado. Yes.
Yep.
Los Gatos.
Line dancing.
Yeah, but how I even figured out that I didn't figure out, but how did I even end up talking to Yusuf? It was Yusuf at the time. Remember Yusuf?
Oh,
I was like,
right.
I saw that he's Jewish. I'm like, oh, there you go, fellow Jew.
Shabbat shalom.
Shabbat shalom, exactly. I go talk to him, and then you were standing right next to him. It's just all funny. So then I started talking to him, and I started talking to you, and then you talked to me about your trade futures, and I'm like, what the fuck? I don't know anyone that trades futures. I only know one person that trades futures, and that's the famous Spectre 91, as it was. And then it turned out to be you, and then since then,
what a crazy coincidence, isn't it?
Yeah, it is a crazy coincidence. I don't know. Maybe it was meant to be.
The only guy you talked besides Yusuf that you talked to, and I ended up being the Spectre 91. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. So, and the only one that trades, quite frankly, I hate futures. I don't know how you do it, but yeah, that's.
You got to be a little bit of a masochist, I think, to trade futures. You got to hate yourself a little bit, you know.
You hate yourself?
It keeps the edge going. Keeps me on edge.
This guy. It's too hectic for me. I like to just chill out. I like to chillax.
Sometimes I like to wake up. I go to the mirror in the bathroom. I just look at myself and I'm just like,
No wonder I'm not a futures trader. I don't do that. But yeah, I mean, it's been a long ride for sure. It's year 4 now. Year 4.
What?
It's been like 4 years now.
For you?
Since I've known you and I've been trading.
Oh, right.
Trading has been a long time. I was a shit trader in the very beginning. I'm still not the best, but I mean.
Wait, when did we start talking on Discord? It was like
2021, bro.
It's 5 years now.
Yeah, that's crazy. 2021, 2020. It was like during COVID.
Yeah. Yeah, I did have like a little server with like a bunch of friends, because people kept asking me, hey, can you teach me how to trade? Can you teach me how to make money online?
It was Hemat Greed was the one who put me in there.
Oh, yeah.
Hemat. I don't even know how I ended up in that group chat. Anyways, I went from knowing nothing. Now I still don't know everything, but definitely know a lot more than I did 5 years ago.
Definitely. So it's been 5 years now. What would you say? What are some like life lessons you learned
through trading?
Yeah, I think trading you do learn a lot of things.
Oh, for sure.
About yourself.
For sure. That's for sure. Like, you just look at you. Sometimes you take trades and you're like, "Holy fuck! Like, how did I even just do that right now?" It makes you question life, to be honest, and yourself a lot. It really there was times where I was like, it really kills you sometimes, like inside,
Oh yeah.
It brings you to your knees. Like, it very humbles you.
Yeah.
A lot. When you think you know something, it quickly teaches you that you don't. But the biggest thing for me is like persistence, to be honest, because if I could have just quit a long time ago, but and also, this applies to a lot of things, but not everything that you see online is, you gotta dig deeper a little bit, because trading, everything you do in life, whether it's trading or whatever, it's not like Just know if everybody's doing it, then it's probably not correct.
Wait. You're telling me the ICT and triangle patterns and
Correct, that is
Ichimoku
bullshit.
clouds are not like...
Yeah, that's straight bullshit. Yes.
Really?
I mean, it doesn't make any sense. Like, why?
I like the Ichimoku clouds.
Oh Jesus, bro. I know that hurts your insides just saying that. No, I mean, like, that's the thing. People are lazy, to be honest. They think they can make one home run trade, which it is possible. I've seen it happen, but I'm saying that.
I mean, I know a guy who got lucky off of weed stocks.
Wheat.
Weed.
Oh, weed.
The devil's lettuce, man. The ganja. But yeah, I knew a guy who made like $250,000. He got really fucking lucky with some bullshit OTC weed stock.
Yeah, you can definitely get lucky. I'm sure I went through the same path that everyone went through too, where like you start with penny stocks.
Penny stocks.
You're like, yeah, I can buy a fucking 10,000 of these shares. If it just goes up 1 cent, I'm fucking rich, you know. And then you quickly realize that you are the exit liquidity, and like yeah. So
I know a guy through. I'm not gonna mention like who my connect is because he wants to stay private, but I used to trade with a bunch of guys, and one of the guys who's been like a veteran trader for like about 15 years now, his bread and butter was reading these SEC filings and not SEC filings, the financials on these penny stocks, and he would short them.
Wow.
He would just short penny stocks. Just whenever they have like a big spike, he would short them, and I mean it's a dangerous game, but like, you know, it's definitely an edge there, you know. At least in the peak penny stock era when you had a lot of bullshit, you know?
Yeah. I think, yeah, I don't know. There's a lot of things with trading but patience is definitely the biggest one. Like, that one's definitely the one that's taught me the most. Like, just close your computer screen and stop looking at it. Just let your trades run, and the more you fuck with it, it's hypnotizing.
Yes.
I swear to God, the more you look at the market, you start seeing things that are not there. Like, you start hallucinating. It doesn't make any sense.
Well, you know, my mentor said, like, the first hour, he just trades, and then just closes the laptop, walks away, no matter what.
Right.
Just gotta close it, walk away. Because, like, him personally, you know, I mean, he knows himself pretty well. I would say maybe he's a bit more impulsive than me, but, like, he knows that if he keeps staying around a computer screen, he's just gonna press the buttons.
Yeah,
you know?
that's the problem. You think by being in the market you're doing yourself a favor, like you're being active, and that's not true all the time.
Correct. You gotta go where the edge is, you know, and
the edge is not doing something every fucking day, bro. Sometimes you just gotta wait and let the trade fall in your lap, and
yeah,
that's the hardest part.
Yeah.
So yeah, I mean, pretty much that.
Let me ask you this: do you think somebody could? Do you think anybody could do trading?
I don't think anybody can do trading. I think if you were to do trading, I mean, that depends, but I think for most people they probably wouldn't be able to. Why? Well, I would let me back up. I don't think anyone could do this as a daily job. If you do this on the side, for most people that's probably gonna be better, because if you start stressing yourself out that you need to make like an X amount of dollars, or you're trying to use trading to pay your rent or live off of it,
yeah,
it's going to be extremely stressful.
Yeah.
Only when you get to a certain level, then you could do it. But I think for the most part, for any average person that, you know, I'm not hating on people that work at Home Depot, but let's say Sprouts, for example, or a cashier, like for you to be risking your livelihood money on it, is probably going to make you make bad decisions.
Yeah.
And then you're going to lose money.
Mm-hmm.
And then you're going to really question yourself on why the fuck you did that. So, and a lot of people think that trading is a scam. I mean, it's not a scam. It's just like you need to be in the right position to do it. Right? So you need to have like money that you're willing to lose.
Risk reward is positively correlated.
Also, you got to know what kind of trader you are. Like, people think that trading is all day trading. Like, that's what people think about when they hear a trader. Like, oh, you just trade like the 1 minute time frame. And it's like, well,
that's the most common question I ask is I get asked by people is, are you a day trader? Do Do you day trade?
Yeah, so you see, there you go. There you have it. So I mean, there's many kinds of trading. There's many instruments to trade. You gotta just know where you feel most comfortable, and that took me a long time to find. Like in the beginning, I thought that okay, there's only I want to be a day trader, and that's all I want to do intraday. And I quickly realized that that's not for me. Like it's too stressful for me.
Yeah.
When you start feeling uncomfortable, that's how you know you're not in the right. That's not the right trading style for you. Like you need to feel just calm.
Yeah. See, I'm opposite of you. I enjoyed intraday. I mean, it's not my bread and butter. Contrary to popular belief, because for some reason, all my different social groups, my friend groups, think I'm a day trader. Yeah, that's what I do, but like
You are.
I am, but like most of my money is really made by the swing trades and like the longer term swing trades, like SoFi, for example.
But you're in a position to do that. You know what I mean? Like you could put a good chunk of money on it. Like the average person can, if they put $500 on a swing trade, that's not really gonna net them much.
My SoFi position, I was holding 6 figures worth of shares, and I mean that was a I'm sure you remember, that was a multi-year hold for me. At some points, I was like about to break.
Yeah.
And I mean, it ended up working out, but at one point I was down like 6 figures, and I was like, oh shit.
Yeah.
Like,
world is over.
Years of progress is getting wiped away.
Yeah, I can imagine that. Yeah, it's like a very mental game.
Yeah.
But there you go. See, I found my time frame. My time frame is 2 to 3 months. 2 to 3 months thesis.
Yeah.
And that for me is good because I don't need to check it every day. I found for myself, the more I check, the worse my performance is. So I stopped doing that. I just take 1 or 2 trades and I wait for good setups that follow my specific trading plan.
Yeah.
And that's it.
I think for me, I'm the opposite, right? I tend to hesitate a lot more, right?
You hesitate? On what?
Like, I'm not impulsive at all. When I look at the markets, I could stare at the charts for hours and not make a move, and I think that was the biggest problem for many years. I think it's being afraid, right? Because I told you about the SoFi thing, right? That took a lot out of me.
Yeah, that made you lose confidence. Yeah.
It made me lose that aggressiveness, that it really humbles you because it makes you not afraid, but like you're more cautious, you know.